Hello beautiful people, welcome again to another quick tutorial on Adobe Illustrator. This one is going to be very quick. I'm going to introduce the rotate tool, a new method to use it. It's really awesome. So let's just get into it. I'm going to draw a rectangle here. Okay, so let me transform it into fill. So now let's suppose I want to have a number of triangles along this uh, invisible circle in here. So I'm going to have it like this. Do you see this blue mark here? It's like the center of rotation of the mark, so I'm going to use the rulers and guides to have a clear center. I'm going to install the point at the center of rotation there. So I'll be choosing the center of rotation, and I'll be choosing to rotate it as a 30-degree angle. Here we go. So yeah, so I want to copy it instead of just moving it, so I'll be doing it while clicking Alt to have a quick copy on it. Here we go. Give me 30. Okay, so we're good. Then I'll be clicking Control D to repeat the same movement. Here we go. So by the end, I have my circles here, or my circle here, with these small rectangles all over it. So this is how to use the um, rotate tool, by using the rotate tool actually to make quick and many copies of a certain thing around a different center of rotation than, or different from the center of the object as a center of rotation. So again, thank you. Share this with your friends, whatever, you know the drill, and follow me on social media.